Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to change our application icon badges style to a number or a dot. We need to go to settings, then in notifications menu we have advanced settings. At the bottom we have app icon badges. To change it, for example, to a number, we simply choose a number and that's all. No need to save, just back out. And now our badge is changed. Very simple, very fast, a little bit hidden. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.